Hello, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? Today, we're going to go over a fun technique, okay? It looks like this. Looks like this. Right, so we're going to basically just jump straight into this now. First of all, I want you to take the bottom of the nunchuck with your non-dominant hand, and I want you to put your hand underneath the stick. From there, I want you to put your thumb on top of the rope. And I want you to close your hands. From here now, what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to go for an inside the leg bounce, boff. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to lift this up as it wraps around, okay, you're going to open your hands, basically making an L pattern. Okay, so if you watch. So when you open your hands, it will rotate around your finger. And bearing in mind, you need to count the number of rotations, okay, so Take a few minutes, yeah, to count the number of rotations which you are going to get with this thumb roll. Okay, it doesn't matter if you drop it, okay, because this is the idea of actually counting, okay. So I roughly get about 2 rotations all the way around. So I know, yeah, as soon as the second rotation is done, I need to close my hand, okay. So I need to grip it like so, okay. From there, if you notice, you can go underneath for a wrist roll. Then if you put your palm up, yeah, at the same time as you go out, yeah, so you put your palm up, turn your hand out and put it up here. So all in all, it looks like this, yeah. So that is basically the gist of it, okay. So if you're new to thumb rolls, this is perfect for you to learn and grow, okay. I know quite a few, there's quite a few coming out this month, alright. So there's some anti-spin versions, there's your normal thumb roll, wrist roll, okay, there's your anti-spin version. Your anti-spin version, all coming out this month, okay. So be sure to check it out, and I'll see you again soon, guys.